Hey, Quandale Dingle here. I just escaped prison. I'm staying at my friend Quandale Pringle's house. As I was running away from cops, I fell and scraped some of my foreskin off.
Dale papi que estoy suelta como gavete.
My name Garfield Denton bit me over in the shower while I was in prison. My baby mama Shaniqua Anderson told me to pay child support, so I gave my baby to creepy old guy.
Que estoy suelta como gavete.